Here's your high-energy, YouTube-ready, no-headings cinematic script, designed to hook viewers, build suspense, and keep them watching till the end. It's packed with real facts, exaggerated excitement, as requested, and powerful storytelling. You won't believe what I'm about to show you, because right now, sitting in your pocket, in your drawer, or maybe buried under dust and dirt, there could be a single coin, a tiny, old, dirty 1965 Lincoln penny. That could be worth not just hundreds, not just thousands, but in extreme cases, tens of thousands of dollars. And if the right rare error is found, collectors have chased coins like these into the realm of unbelievable money. Yes, I'm talking about the mysterious, misunderstood, and massively overlooked 1965 Lincoln penny, a coin that millions of people ignore every single day, but a few lucky collectors hunt like treasure hunters searching for gold. Because here's the truth. Most people think a penny is just a penny. But what if I told you that same coin, that same dirty, worn-out, brown piece of metal, could secretly be one of the rarest treasures hiding in plain sight? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will never look at a penny the same way again. Let's go back in time. The year is 1965. The world is changing fast, music is evolving, technology is rising, and deep inside the United States Mint, something unusual is happening. There's a coin shortage. People are hoarding coins. The government is under pressure. And in response, the U.S. Mint makes a historic decision. They remove mint marks entirely from coins to stop collectors from hoarding them. That means every 1965 penny looks almost the same. No mint mark. No obvious difference. Just a simple coin. But that decision, that single change, created one of the most mysterious coin years in history. Because now, hidden among billions of ordinary coins, are a few extraordinary ones. And this is where things get crazy. Over 1.4 billion 1965 pennies were made. Yes, billions. So you might think, how could something so common be valuable? But here's the secret. Rarity is not always about how many were made. It's about how many survived in the right condition with the right mistake. And mistakes are where the money explodes. Let me show you what I mean. Most 1965 pennies are worth just 1 cent, maybe a few cents if they're slightly better, rarest.org. 1. But when you find the right one, the value jumps. From cents to dollars. From dollars to hundreds. From hundreds to thousands. And in extreme cases, rare error coins have sold for over $9,000, even reaching close to $30,000 depending on the mistake. Techmaza 2. And that's when collectors start paying serious attention. Because the real treasure lies in errors. These are coins that were never supposed to exist. Coins that slipped through the system. Coins that should have been destroyed, but somehow escaped. And those mistakes are what turn ordinary pennies into legendary collectibles. One of the most powerful errors. The double die. This is when the design is stamped twice, slightly misaligned. And if you look closely, the letters, the numbers, they appear doubled. Not blurry, not damaged, but clearly doubled. And when collectors see that, they go crazy. Because a strong double die error can turn a simple penny into a coin worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Coin identifier, 3. Then there's the off-center strike. Imagine a coin where the design is shifted, part of it missing, like it was punched wrong. Most people think it's damaged. Collectors see money. Because the more dramatic the error, the higher the value. Then comes something even more shocking. The wrong planchet error. This is when a penny is struck on the wrong metal. Not copper, but silver. Yes, silver. There are known 1965 pennies struck on silver dime blanks. And one of these sold for over $9,200. Techmaza 2. Think about that. A 1-cent coin. Worth thousands. And it gets even more intense. Some coins develop what collectors call a die cap, or die break, where the coin looks warped, cracked, or blob-like. To a normal person, it looks ugly. To a collector, it looks rare. And rare means valuable. But here's where the mystery deepens. Even without errors, condition alone can change everything. A dirty, scratched, worn coin? Almost nothing. But the same coin. Perfect. Untouched. Shiny red copper. Graded at the highest levels. Can sell for thousands. In fact, top condition 1965 pennies have sold for over $7,600 at auction. Rarest.org. 1. And that's why collectors always say, Condition is king. Now imagine this. A rare error. In perfect condition. That's where legends are made. That's where prices explode. That's where collectors fight, bid, compete. Because they know they may never see another one again. And here's something even more exciting. Special mint set coins. In 1965, instead of traditional proof coins, the mint released something called SMS coins. These were made with extra care, sharper details, better surfaces, almost mirror-like finishes. And some of these, especially cameo and deep cameo versions, have sold for thousands of dollars, coins value for. So now you're probably wondering, how do you know if you have one? Here's what you need to do. Take your 1965 penny. Look closely. Check the date. Make sure it says 1965. Then check for a mint mark. You won't find one. That's normal. Now look at the letters. In God we trust. Liberty. The numbers and the date. Do you see doubling? Look at the edges. Is the coin centered? Or is part of it missing? Check the surface. Is it smooth, or strange, or unusually shiny? Does it look like it was struck on the wrong metal? Is it heavier or lighter than normal? Every tiny detail matters. Because the difference between a 1-cent coin and a $1,000 coin could be one tiny mistake. And here's the truth most people don't realize. These coins are still out there. In circulation. In jars. In old collections. In dusty boxes. People spend them every day without knowing. Collectors search through thousands of coins, just hoping to find one. Because finding one changes everything. And here's where the story becomes even more powerful. The psychology, the mystery, the obsession. Why do people chase these coins? Because it's not just about money. It's about discovery. It's about finding something rare where no one else is looking. It's about turning something ordinary into something extraordinary. And that's what makes the 1965 Lincoln penny so special. It hides its secrets. It looks normal. It blends in. But if you know what to look for, it becomes a treasure. And that's why this coin is mysterious. Because millions exist, but only a few matter. And nobody knows where they are. They could be anywhere. Right now. Maybe even with you. So before you click away, before you forget this video, go check your coins. Look at every 1965 penny you can find. Because the next one you pick up might not be just a penny. It might be a hidden fortune. And remember this. Treasure doesn't always shine. Sometimes it looks old, dirty, and completely worthless. Until the right person takes a closer look.